Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for stopping by. So guys, I know it has been a minute. I think it's been a little over a month since I recorded my last video, but things happen and you just have to kind of go with the flow. But I am back now, so we are going to get started with this video. In this video, I am going to be doing a wash and go with my favorite combo, which is my new favorite gel, Wetline Xtreme, and I'm going back to one of my oldies, which is my favorite, Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. You all know, I don't know if you can see that, my light's kind of bright. If you've watched my previous videos, you all know I love this stuff. I love pairing this stuff with gels because this right here gives me the softness that I'm looking for, but the gel gives me the hold. So I'm going to do the Shingling method with these two. I don't think I've ever done the Shingling method with my favorite combo. I've always done the raking method, which is my favorite, but I want me some defined curls, which is why I am doing this smoothing method. So let's get started right now. I've already washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and detangled my hair, and I've also have my leave-in conditioner in. The shampoo that I used was Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Mafura, I guess is how you pronounce it, I don't know, Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. This is the one I used. And for my conditioner and my detangler, of course, my new favorite, Aussie Voice. That's what I used. And then for my deep conditioners, I also went back to my favorite oldies, and that's the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask and the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Treatment Mask. You all know I love to mix these two together. Sorry y'all, my light is bright. I love to mix these two together for my moisture and the other one for my protein. So I went back to those oldies as well. And then for my leave-in conditioner, it was Camille Rose Natural Curl Love Moisture Milk. This is my new favorite leave-in conditioner. Alright, so I've already done all of that. I've already detangled my hair. I put this bag on to keep the moisture in, and I'm just gonna get started. So I have my detangling brush, and then I also have a comb, and then I have my water bottle filled with hot water. So I'm gonna start on this side, and I'm gonna get started. You all know I hate with the passion the Shingling method, but like I said, the Shingling method have your curls popping, they be very defined, so that's what I want. I want defined curls this time, so I'm going to use the Shingling method. So I'm just going to get a little bit of the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, because a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. When I say get a little bit, I'm talking about a little bit. I don't even know why I'm trying to show y'all that, because y'all can't see it. Because once you smooth it in, it's going to turn your hands white. So you don't need a lot. If you put too much, then it is going to have your hair like really white. So I'm just going to rub this in. And then I'm going to part my hair in the middle. And I'm going to get a little bit more just to make sure it gets on all of my hair. And I'm just going to put a little bit on this one, rub a little bit on the top. Alright, and then I won't put any more on that section. I'll put some on when I get started with the next one. And I'm just going to get started with my gel. Just comb that back out. Alright, so of course with the Shingling method, I have to take small sections and going to define each curl. So I'm going to start with that section, twist this up and put it back out of the way. And of course I like my hair, when I'm doing my wash and go, I like my hair dripping wet. So I will be spraying water on the sections, rub that in. Get my Wetline Xtreme gel, put that on there and work that in. And then I'm just going to pull my curls apart and just smooth the product down each strand. Make sure I'm not blocking so y'all can see. Now while I'm doing this, y'all, I want to say right quick, if you watched my last video, I was doing a natural hair, not natural hair, a protective style challenge. And in that video, I told you all that I was going to protective style until my second year natural hair anniversary. And my purpose for doing that challenge was to get some growth, because I have healthy hair. I've had healthy hair since I started transitioning, so I just want some growth. I'm used to having long hair. So I did that in April is when I filmed that video, and when April was over with, I went right back into another protective style in May, the beginning of May. I went back into another protective style. And that one I did spring twist, and I did not film it because I didn't get a chance to. I had some things going on. So after I got done with that, I was going to go back into another protective style because it was going to be for 5 months of nothing but protective styling. However, when I took the spring twist out, I noticed that it was thinning out my edges, and I didn't have it tight. I didn't have them tight. I made sure I didn't do my edges tight, but they were still thinning. The protective styles were still thinning out my edges. So that's the reason why I stopped, because if you watch that video, you're probably thinking, why is she doing her hair? She's supposed to be protective styling. Well, that's the reason why I'm doing my hair. I cannot go back into another protective style if I want to have some edges. So yeah, that's what happened with that. So I'm taking a break from the protective style, and I'm just going to just do my hair for right now. I did get growth, and I will do a video with side-by-side comparison, because in my protective style video I did do a length check before I put that protective style in. So I also did one when I washed my hair this time, and I will do a video on that one next to show you how much length I got within those 2 months. Because like I said, my hair grows so much faster when I'm not messing with it, period. That's why I like to protective style, because I can get growth. But yeah, that's all I just wanted to say about that. That's the reason why I'm not protective styling, and that's the reason why I am back to doing my hair. But I did miss my curls anyway, so yeah, I'm kind of glad I need to take a break, because I am missing my curls. Did miss them. But anyways, I'm talking too much, so I'm just going to finish up doing this hair and finish doing the shingling method. And when I'm just going to play some music and speed past all of this, and then before I go up underneath the dryer, I will let you all see how it looks. Okay, I am finally done, and I'm so happy because my arms feel like they are getting ready to fall off. But these are my wet results finally, and as you can see, I did go a little overboard with the coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie, because it is a little white, but I'm not worried about that. I've used it enough that I know it's going to dry clear. So this is what it looks like. Try to do me a side part, but my hair be so thick it be covering up my part. But this is what it looks like wet. I am done. I'm going to go sit underneath the dryer, and when I get out from under the dryer, I will come back and show you all my dry results. So I will see you all in just a little. Okay everybody, I am back. I am done with the dryer. When I got finished, I put a little bit of oil on my hands and scrunched the crunch because it was a little tad crunchy. But of course I expected that because of the gel. But anyways, with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Curl Hibiscus Smoothie up underneath it, it made it a whole lot easier for me to make it softer. So this is my finished results. I tried my best to shape it. I'm kind of in that awkward stage with my hair growth, so it's a little hard for me to kind of get a shape. But anyways, this is my finished results. So as you can see, this wash and go is bomb. I love those two combos. If you recall, when I first started, I was actually using the Eco Style gel. That's the gel that I was using with the Shea Moisture curling smoothie. But then when I started using Wetline, I switched it over to Wetline, and to me the results are even better than using the Eco Styler gel. So this is, I'm in love with it. That combo, it hasn't done me wrong yet. I always get a good wash and go excuse me, when I do that combo. And then doing the shingling method, well, like I said, as much as I hate the shingling method, I have to admit that it is the best when it comes to defining the curls. So this is it. This will last me for the whole week, and y'all already know how I do my refresh in the morning. I just kind of spray it with water, shake and go, and that's what I'll do for the whole week. So yeah, I'm loving this wash and go. My first wash and go since protective styling for 2 months, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So that's all I have, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below for me in the comment box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye y'all.